Okay, in this next video we're going to install the fan, and as promised I told you I'd speak a bit about each product that I'm installing. This is just a Cooler Master fan. They're $11.99. I got this one on sale for $4.99. One thing you want to look at on fans are obviously the CFM, the airflow. This is 69.9 CFM, and if you want it to be quiet, this is 19 decibels. You won't be able to hear that pretty much. So there it is. Doesn't have a light in it or anything like that. I wasn't looking for anything fancy. You can buy them with LEDs in them and do all that. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. I'm going to spare you the agony of me doing that, and then we'll be right back, so stay tuned. Okay, the next thing you want to do, you simply pull the front off. It just pops off, and this way you've got access to these holes to mount your fan. Now some cases may have just a set of clips where the fan smacks into. It just really depends on the fan. Or the configuration of the system itself. So with this one, what I'm going to do is fish this fan any way I can get it back here. Hopefully it will fit. There we go. And instead of having clips, this one actually comes with these little screws here. That's why you got to take off that front plate. If you didn't take off that front plate, you wouldn't really have access to these screws to go into here. So what you do is line it up to the holes on the fan, and simply start screwing them in. You get that one started, help tighten it down all the way, and then move to the next one. And I like to do a diagonal just like I am with a car. You've got it lined up. There we go. We'll go ahead and we'll put these in and we'll show you what it looks like on the other side, so stay tuned. Okay, once you've got the 4 screws in, you can either choose to put the front panel back on, or you can prep the case for other items you may put in. In this case, we are going to take out the top 5 1/4. You can see these just snap in like such. And then we can take out this one where normally we'd put a floppy right there, because we're going to put our media center in there, or our actual card reader. So once that's done, go ahead and rerun all your cables back through however you desire. Like such. Go ahead and smack the case back on. So there it is, and then there's the fan right there. So that's pretty much it on installing a fan. And next up we'll move to the DVD-ROM and or the burner, and we'll move into the media center. So stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.